graph the linear equation below using a graphing calculator. So whenever we're asked to do that, what's our first step? So the first step is getting yourself into the form y equals mx plus b. So we see that y is on the appropriate side on the left, but that mx is on the wrong side. Right? This term is going to have to move. Okay, so to do that, we can either literally do minus 3x to cancel it, minus 3x on the other side, or we could just know that if you're going to move a term, and let's move over here, if we're going to move a term to the opposite side, it's going to have the opposite sign. So positive 3x on the right, when we move it left, is going to become negative 3x. We try to force it a little into the form mx plus b by putting the x term first, and then the plus b, then the y-intercept. Okay, to get y completely alone, we still need to get rid of the 2. The 2 is attached by multiplication, so we do the inverse operation and we divide. We'll have to divide by 2 everywhere. So when y is alone, we can see the slope, right? Negative 3 over 2 doesn't divide, so we leave it as negative 3 over 2x. And then 8 over 2 does divide, so we can make that 4. Okay, we take this equation, we put it into y equals on the calculator. Negative 3, to get that division line, we just use divided by 2. X plus 4. We could look at what the graph looks like, but that's never going to be enough to graph it ourselves. Instead, we go to second graph, which is the table of values. We want to look for some reasonable, easy values to plot, like 0, 4. But we don't want 1 and 2.5, so let's skip over to 2 and 1. Let's keep going. 4 and negative 2. Even 2 points with a straight edge is enough, but we like to take 3 points. 2 and 1. 4 and negative 2. Still use a straight edge to connect your points and to label it with the original equation of the line, 3x plus 2y equals 8. So how would we answer this question? So our answer is already on our paper. Right here at the table, where does this graph hit when x equals 2? Right, it hits 1. So is 2, 0 on this line? No, because the point 2 and 1 is what's on this line.